In order to find out whether the given number or any number is divisible by 8 or not, so to find it out, you have to divide it into two categories. The first one is that if the given number has 1 or 2 or 3 digits, then you'll have to divide it, and you have to find out whether that number is divisible by 8 or not. Suppose it is 312. So you'll have to divide it out. Okay, you have to divide it and find out. So if we divide 312 by 8, then this will be 8, 4, 8, 3, 24, this is 7, 2, this is 9, therefore this is 72, right? So you have 39 times 8 is 312. So in this way you can find out for numbers which have 1, 2 or 3 digits at their place. But what if suppose number is say 1000354168312. If someone asks that whether this number is divisible by 8 or not, then what you'll do is, this is ones place, right? This is tens place, and this is hundreds place. So if you separate this number, that is 312, if the number 312 is divisible by 8, then this whole number will be divisible by 8. That is, if the digits at the ones place, digits at the tens place, and the digits at the hundreds place, if you separate them, and if that number formed from these 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the whole number will be divisible by 8. Okay, so in this case, we saw it here that 312 is divisible by 8. So in this case, of course, you can say that this number will be divisible by 8.